Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. My breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in when it's over. Have I lost my mind?
wasting time, begging for the whole world to subscribe. Did I lose control of my ego? You know a selfie's never good the first 100 times. 'Cause I'm living my life all through a screen, filtered friends, yeah, I'm loving the dream. No, I don't wanna wake to a world that is so real. I think it might be keeping in this twirl, looking for likes in a lonely world, trying to numb my pain just to know that I can feel. 'Cause you know what they say, hey, we've got the answer. It's all about